Hello, Matthew Tamer here from LearnJoomlaFast.com, where we teach you how to create professional websites without being a professional coder with Joomla. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to build a custom sales funnel from scratch. The page that you're looking at, this is exactly what you're going to learn how to create. Now, sales funnels are really great because they allow you to be able to capture people's information, and you can upsell, downsell, cross-sell, buy, sell, whatever sell to them. So you're going to learn how to do that. So with this page here, you're going to learn how to design this landing page, and also you're going to learn how to design a page that connects to this. So for example, when someone put in their name here and they put in their email, once they click on submit, it's going to redirect them to a different page. So they just subscribe to whatever you want them to subscribe to, and you give them a little bit more detail, and they can be able to place an order. You can create a shopping cart, you can add more videos, more links, whatever it is. So make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because you're going to be able to learn how to build a custom landing page, sales funnel like this one from scratch. So let's get started. As you can see, we're starting with a blank canvas, so we don't have anything but just the bare bone Joomla installation. So let me take you over to this other website here, the emarketingthemes.com. This is another site that I own, that I designed over 70 of these, and it took me probably about 2-3 weeks or so to design it, because I was creating a new theme like every day or every other day. So these are high quality professional themes that I designed. It's been probably almost a year now, but they are really great. And you can save yourself so much time and so much money if you learn how to create your own landing pages from scratch. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now, as you see in the preview. So to get started, there's 3 tools that you're going to need, okay? First, Joomla, of course. You need Joomla, which is a given. The next thing that you're going to need is a framework. And for this demonstration, I'm using the Helix Ultimate Framework. It's one of my favorite frameworks that I love to use because it's very easy, very simple. Pretty much a framework allows you to be able to, it gives you a lot of features in terms of how the template that you're using. Joomla has its own, and other developers create extensions or templates that you can be able to use that has a certain look, has a certain style, and there's so many of them out there, but I just really like Helix. There are quite a few out there too that I use, but I'm demonstrating with this one. And then next, we're going to use the Helix, the SP Page Builder, the Pro version. Now, if you don't know what this is, you need to check out my other videos that I have that goes in extensive details about SP Page Builder. So in this video, I'm not going to be covering every single thing about it. And as you can see, it has a lot of add-ons that you can be able to use. You can pretty much create any type of website that you need once you understand how Page Builder works. And then finally, you're going to need Balboa. This is probably my favorite form, and they have great form. They have another great box, which is their own page builder, and I'm going to be doing some training with that soon. But absolutely love it, and their form builder is incredible. So if you don't have this, I definitely recommend that you get it. And they have a gallery, which I just love the extensions. I just love the extensions. So they're doing a really great job. So you definitely want to be able to grab this extension, the forms builder, because you're going to need that in order to create this. So the goal that we're going to do here is we're going to transform this blank canvas into something that you can be able to use. Let's say you're launching a new product and you have a video that you want to show people. And when people click, you have a video and a form. So when people click on that form, it is going to redirect them to another page, and from that page they can get a little bit more information or things like that. So that's what we're going to do, and then we're going to set up the final page. It's like an order form. So the first page is like a squeeze page or a landing page. The next page, when they click on the form, get the basic information, is going to redirect them to a different page where they can be able to get some more information, and then finally it'll take them to another page there they can put their order, or we'll probably just have 2 pages. So let's get started here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download this extensions. If you don't have it, buy it for the Helix, the SP Page Builder Pro. I am going to have my affiliate link at the bottom, so if you want to purchase it through that, definitely appreciate it. And then you need to download the Helix Ultimate. This is free. So you go to joomshaper.com, you click here and you click to download. This is absolutely free. Now when you're downloading it, you want to download just just a template. I don't need the quick start because that's just what we need for this.